MOOG uses metal retaining rings for dust boots. Dust boots can be found on all steering and suspension parts that have joints, such as ball joints, link stabilizers, tie rod ends and track control arms. Dust boots are vital for keeping grease inside a ball joint, keeping dirt and debris out. They are attached to the housing of the ball joint and the stud. An upper and a lower retaining ring keep the dust boot in place by clamping the dust boot to the housing in the stud. The constant articulation of the ball joint, caused by the suspension movement, puts strain on the retaining rings. When they lose their clamping force, dirt, moisture, or other debris will make their way into the joint and accelerate wear or cause corrosion. MOOG's metal dust boot retaining rings maintain a tight and durable seal around the stud and the housing. This means that even during extreme suspension movement, MOOG ball joints will be safe from water and contaminants making their way inside the joint and causing premature wear.
You can find the correct MOOG part for your vehicle using the Find My Part page on www.moogparts.eu. There, you will also find the links towards our YouTube channel, Facebook page, and Garage Gurus, our training and technical support program.